Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on clearing the cache on Snapchat. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. If you have been using Snapchat for many months or years, it's likely that your cache is taking up a lot of storage. Here is how you can clear it. Start by going to your profile page on Snapchat. Tap the Settings icon from the top right. In Settings, scroll down to the Account Actions category, and then select Clear Cache. As you can see, my cache was taking up 425 megabytes, so by clearing it, I have saved some space on my phone. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Snapchat tips and tricks.